Hi, good people. Welcome back to Bavan Moments YouTube channel, and thank you so much for your continued support. If you're here for the first time, kindly don't watch and leave without subscribing, liking, and also pressing the notification bell. Today, we are in the kitchen and it's food o'clock. Today, we are preparing beef stew. I'll show you how I do mine. Come with me as I do step-by-step procedure. And as you learn from me, also allow me learn from you from the comment section below.
How it's supposed to feel.
For the ingredients, we have onions, garlic, blended hoho, blended tomatoes, dania. And for the spices, I have curry powder, black pepper, and paprika. Most of the times, like 90% of the times, I know I don't boil my beef. So put my oil. I want it to heat. Then I put my onions and garlic. I'll go in with my onions. Put your onions generously. Allow it to cook a little. I'm adding my garlic at this point. Let it cook for a minute. Onions are now ready. I'll put in my beef. Anytime you wash beef, normally it has its own water, so you will cover your beef. But before that, at this point, I'm going to add my spices. I want them to cook so well. And also adding spices at this point, there is a taste, a certain flavor that it brings. Mix them well. Cover your beef till the water dries. As I wait for my beef, I've put water so that I cook ugali. Actually, I'm preparing dinner for my family, so I want to multitask. That is it. So this I've not added any water, by the way. This is its own water. So you're waiting for this water to dry up. Meanwhile, you can feel the aroma. Water has now dried up. Ooh, looks so delicious. Now what I'll do, I'm going to add my blended hoho. The reason as why I'm now adding my blended hoho. I love it this way because of the soup. This is how it looks. It looks like with the blended hoho. The reason as to why I add the blended hoho, it's because it makes the meat to be more tender. Any inakuwa soft kabisa. If you love your beef dry, this is how it looks like so far. If you want it this way, you can serve it. But for me, I want some soup. So I'm adding my tomatoes. Alafu hapa sasa, I will allow my tomatoes to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes or 11 so that the tomatoes will cook well kabisa. Secondly, hautasikia the smell of raw tomatoes. From here, okay, something else I love about this recipe, utapata your soup is thick. There is a way it is thick. Just wait for the end results. Nyanya zangu zimeiva. So now I want to add salt to taste. Then I will add my last spice, that is Royco. My Royco. Then I'll mix it. Mix it well. I'll add my water now. So after adding my salt, Royco and water, what I want, it is soup. Right now I don't want it to cook because it is already well cooked. So what I want, it is my soup. So I'll give it about 5 minutes and then from there it will be ready. Finally, we're garnishing it with our dania. Ukishaweka dania yako, just put off your fire. Mix well, just mix it well. Then from there, it's ready to serve. So guys, here is our final product, and as you can see, I've achieved what I wanted. the thick soup, the flavors of my spices, everything is 100% as I wanted it. So guys, thank you so much for your continued support, for your subscription, those that are engaging us in the comment section below. Thank you so much for also liking our videos. And thank you so much for turning on the notification bell. Also, thank you for watching this far. Thank you for supporting us. This means a lot to us. Till next time, keep safe and watch out for our next video. Bye bye.